Hello guys, this is Naman Pathak and welcome to All in Digital Vidyapeeth. Guys, in this video we will talk about the NPTEL MOOC course Patent Law for Engineering and Scientist Assignment 10 Solution. Guys, the last date of submission of this assignment is 31 March 2021. So without wasting our time, let's check out the solution of all these questions. Our first question is, any person entitled for registration of title and interest in a patent shall do so by filling. Correct option is C, Form 16. Our second question is Statement 1. As per the provisions of the Patent Act 1970, a patentee may at any time after grant offer to surrender his patents. Statement 2. As per the provisions of the Patents Act 1970, a patentee may offer to surrender his patents only after 3 years from the date of grant of patents. Correct option is A. Statement 1 is true and second is false. Our third question is Statement 1. A person shall be qualified to have his name entered in the register of patent agents if he has discharged the functions of the controller for not less than 10 years. Statement 2. One of the rights of patent agents is to prepare all documents, transact all business, and discharge other functions before the controller under this act. Correct option is D. Statement 1 and 2 both are true. Our fourth question is Statement 1. All officers and employees of patent office shall be incapable to acquire or take direct interest or any right in any patent issued by that office. Statement 2. An employee of the patent office may prepare or assist in the preparation of a document required under this act. Correct option is A. Statement 1 is true, second is false. Our fifth question is, a notice of petition for revocation of patent under section 64 shall be served to the following except 2. Correct option is C, any person. Our sixth question is, a certified copy of an entry from the register may be furnished by the controller upon request made to him and after payment of fees within a period of. Correct option is C, any time after 3 months. Our seventh question is, any person interested may file Form 14 within dash from the publication of notice under section 63 and rule 87 to the controller to oppose surrender of patents. Correct option is A, 3 months. Our eighth question is, a register of patents shall contains. Correct options are A, B and D. That is, the names and addresses of grantees of patent, notification of assignments and transmissions of patents, and particular of matters affecting the validity or proprietorship of patents. Our ninth question is, a patent may be revoked on a petition of any person interested on the following grounds. Correct options are A, B, C and D. That is, that the patent was obtained on a false suggestion or representation, that the subject of any claim of the complete specification is not an invention within the meaning of this act, that the complete specification does not disclose or wrongly mentions the source or geographical origin of biological material used for the invention, and the last, that leave to amend the complete specification under section 57 or 58 was obtained by fraud. Our last question is, that is 10th question, in which of these conditions the controller may refuse to recognize certain agents under section 131. Correct options are A, B and C. That is, whose name has been removed from and not restored to the register, any company or firm, if any person whom the controller could refuse to recognize as agent in respect of any business under this act, and the last, agent who neither resides nor has a place of business in India. guys you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Digital Vidyapeeth. Thank you guys. Take care.